Now, 15-year-old Rihanna Brown will be looking to become the first player from the Caribbean to medal in the FIDE Online World Cadets and Youth Rapid Championships later this month. Denise Walters has the story.
Woman candidate master Rihanna Brown is the only player out of a 13-member Jamaican contingent to make it to the final of the FIDE World Youth Rapid Championship after 3 days of competition. 27 countries in the Americas are taking part, and Brown has defeated women FIDE Masters and women International Masters, including the top candidate from the United States.
Well, I already played online before this whole corona situation, so it didn't really affect me that much. But I did have to adjust to not being able to see my opponent.
Brown's coach, woman international master Deborah Richards-Porter, told TVJ Sports the achievement is significant.
It's a big deal for chess, it's a big deal for Jamaica, it's a big deal for the Chess Federation. It's the first time we actually have someone in the finals of a World Championship event. And just to put it into context, Jamaica is the only country, Rihanna is the only player from the Caribbean to actually make it to the finals of this event. And she's going to be facing off against the top 15 girls within the world.
Richards-Porter says the school schedules and exams have made training for the competition somewhat challenging. However, Rihanna was training consistently prior to and during the pandemic.
So basically for the competition, it was more like tidying up specific things related to the competition because it was a little bit sudden. But pretty much has been an ongoing preparation for her.
Now heading into the final, Brown knows what's needed to get a podium finish.
Mostly I worked on my time control because the time control for this is lower than it would be of classical. It's rapid, which is 10 minutes plus 2-second increments. And I also worked on my tactics and my strategy, which is required to play better in this kind of tournament.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.